Okay, so Sears Typewriter, replace the ribbon. First you're going to slide it over so that you can actually open up this tray. Open up the tray, take out the left ribbon. It's going to come out of a little slider right here. You can kind of see that on the camera. Yeah, right here. So it sits in there, pull that out. And then in here, the ribbon runs through here, but it got these little tabs, so you got to push it down first and then slide it out. So once you get it down and under, you can slide it out on both sides, like so. And then just pop out this. And then you grab your new ribbon, unroll it, and make sure to screw up the button that's on there. On this, you can actually see the button. See that indent right there? Ooh, right there. You're going to make sure that that button is rolled up. So then you just do it in reverse. Put the right ribbon in there. Put it in the little slider in between here. And then I find it easier to put it on this side. And then put it in the slider on this side. And then slide it into where it goes. Now if you're looking for the ribbon that I used on this, this is an electric 10 typewriter. I will have a link in the description below for this ribbon. But that's all it needs, and they're done. Ribbon replaced. Now you can just slide it back over, and it's good to go. Hope this video helped you. Bye.